Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is FXpreneur Global Limited and daily morning analysis update based on what we have analyzed within the week. Remember that building career in forex trading starts with taking the decision to do all you can against all odds to transform your financial life by efficiently navigating the financial markets, just like bank and other financial institutions through the training and mentorship of FSPG platform. And this morning we'll be doing our update on dollar index, Euro USD, GBPUSD, AUD USD, USDCAD, USDJPY, USDCHF, NZD gold, Nasdaq, and US30. Today's date is 11th. This analysis was from 8th of August to 12th of August, so it will be elapsing tomorrow. So quick one, you want to become part of our academy, visit fxpreneur.com.nd to load in your application. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn on your notification button. As well, you can drop up if there's any suggestion or something that you want us to do to improve in whatever we're doing, or there's a pair of interest that you want us to add up to whatever we're doing, you kindly put it down there at the comment section. And let's go straight to the chart. Now, this is a dollar index, and the dollar index gave us this break of market structure yesterday. All right, there's break of market structure here yesterday. Through this move, we'll have a break of structure here, and also we'll also have a mega break of structure here. Okay, so we are anticipating a pull back to this breaker block here before coming down. But as you can see, they are pushing down. So whatever we say is what we trade. We trade what we say. As you can see, they traded into fair value gap here, which entails that they must have to flush this low and take out the liquidity that is lying down here, because here now is the liquidity, because we'll have people having their stop losses here. Those who are going long already have their stop losses here. So they have to come down here to come and take out this liquidity. So I'm expecting them to do what? Either trade up, tap this level and come down, or straightly come down to take away this liquidity. So once it gives us break of market structure in a lower time frame, we'll be on a sell, right? So that is what we're looking at. The Euro USD. Euro USD, got the contract here. As you can see, after that, we'll have this breakout of this contract level. And this level here, you see, this is a break of market structure, all right? And we'll have other block here. So we are anticipating them to hit this level. This is what we want them to do. We want to see them as they trade into this fair value gap and they are pushing up. I would like to see them hit here, then come back here, right, to go up. This is what we're anticipating on Euro USD. Then on GBPUSD went as analyzed. As you can see, it hit this level. Then yesterday we told you that our bias is to the upside, and we'll have this particular move. And after this move have taken away this trend line liquidity, so I'm taking this out. And it traded into this fair value gap. As you can see, also we'll have there's liquidity resting here, and here we'll have break of market structure, so I'm taking this out. So market has broken a structure here, and market has pulled back from this block now. As it's heading back, it will take out this pullback, this other block. Came back here like this. I would have loved it to come back to this level, all right? This level here before going up to this level. Then from this level, we would like to see a pullback, right? Then before it furthers, that is what we're actually expecting from there. So let me take it out and draw it properly. We'll have this from here. I would have loved it to hit here, then go back up, take away this liquidity that we have here, take liquidity that we have here, then come back here to fully close this and take away this liquidity here, then go back to the upside. This is what I am actually expecting from this. But as you can see, as we are pushing up, possibly, if it continues this way, anticipate a break of this structure here. Here we'll have buy stop liquidity. So buy stop liquidity is here. So we should be able to take away this liquidity and hit this level. So this is the level I'll be expecting to hit today and possibly pull back then up. So that is what I'll be expecting from this pair. Then the next one is gold. As you can see, gold went up to this level, got this level mitigated. After mitigating this level, all right, it pulled back. So if we zoom in, you will see that already we'll have a break of market structure. We'll have a break here already. Then after this break of market structure that we'll have here, which is also in a lower time frame, but the major structure has not been broken, and here there's liquidity lying here. And also if you watch here also, you see that we'll have fair value gap. We'll have gap here that need to be filled here. And also this is a trend line liquidity. So we are positive that they're going to come down to come and take away those liquidity that is down. We'll have liquidity here. So we'll have fair value gap here. We'll have gap here. All right, kind of a gap. So we want to see them trade into this gap and flush to the upside. When they trade into this gap, before they will not flush to the upside. So my bias is this. Let's go to lower time frame like 2 hours or 1 hour. Good. In 2 hours, you can see it clearly that already here also we'll have fair value gap here. So I would like to see this guy trade into this level. When they trade in, I would like to see them come back down, then before they go to the upside. That is what I will be expecting from this pair. I want to see them do this, come back here, then to the upside. Good. We're going to the next one, and that is AUD I'm going back to 4 hours. We anticipated yesterday that AUD is going to give us an up move, but we were expecting a down move before the up move. So we didn't get the down move because they've traded into this fair value gap here. But I was expecting them to further hit this level. All right, so from here we got the movement to the upside. So this analysis is still valid. It's still valid. We still want to see them hit this level. Then from here, we'll see them come back to the downside. So we just look for a way. Yeah, there's a gap. You trade into this, give you entry, you fold them up to this level. Then from here, you begin to look for a sell to downside. That is what we're also expecting from this particular pair. Now, as you can see, this is the liquidity that told us yesterday that need to be flush, and it has been taken out already. So we want to see them come into this level. From here, we'll look for a sell. Once it intercepts with, once it got mitigated here by this block. So this is zone where we want to have a sell to the downside. We'll have USDCAD. USDCAD has done as expected, but yesterday we were actually expecting them to still trade into this level. They only came into this fair value gap and flushed down immediately. So that's no problem. Some of us caught it. So now they've taken away this trend line liquidity that we have here already. It's already out. So what we expect if you want to trade into this and flush this level, because there's set stop liquidity also that is here, and also they have gap here. So this analysis still remain the same. So they are coming down to this level. We'll have USDCHF. USDCHF also performed amazingly as expected. But as you can see, they didn't give us the pullback we expected into this fair value gap, then to intercept here. So they pushed immediately through using the news. They had the level for some time. They push it through the news to downside. As you can see, this is where they're coming from. Here, we'll be looking for a reversal to go to the upside. So now this is a USDJPY. USDJPY gave us the push down, but did not give us the retracement to the upside as we anticipated. Now, as you can watch here, we'll have this level here, and this has also traded into this level. So I'm expecting a kind of a reversal from here. Okay, I want to see a push to the upside from here, where this market is right now. So this is what I'll be expecting. I would like to see a push back to this level before coming down. This is what I would have loved to see. This level, at least 50% Fibonacci before coming down to this level. So if it gets here, if you didn't get to this level and get to this level, then look for a buy to this level, then flush down to this level. NZD USD, SDUSD went up, took away this level, but did not give us a push down because we were actually eyeing this liquidity. They didn't come to the liquidity, so they push up to the upside. So I'm taking this out. Now, as you can see, this liquidity here is already taken out. Yeah. This level here is already taken out. Then this is the level they are coming to. So I would like to see a push to the upside. But before then, I would have loved to see this. For me to enter this trade, I would like to see a push to this particular level before I will take the trade because I take my trade at discounted. So I would like to see them come back into this fair value gap before I'll take a trade to the upside. Then the next one is Nasdaq. Nasdaq went up, hit this level, but then did not give us entry for a sell because we anticipated this. So they are headed to this particular level we'll have to the upside. So we'll have a break of market structure to this side, all right? Then, but it didn't break this major structure. From here, give us a push on the upside to take away this liquidity that is resting above here. And now, what we're expecting from this is to hit this level for today. To hit this level. And yesterday was when they gave us this move. And this is okay. This ends JPY. I think this is where we'll draw the curtain for today's analysis. And then, based on the request of someone yesterday, we need to check GP JPY. GBPJPY, we anticipated a flush above this level here to at least get to this particular level before coming down. So, but they pushed down. So, and as we can see here, market is still in this particular wage and it's broke structure to the downside. That means down is the bias of this market. So if you watch here also, we have trend line liquidity here. And I'm going to a lower time frame, like 4 hours. Like 1 hour, sorry. Now we'll have trend line liquidity here. And also we'll have this other block. Market is coming down to this place. I'm taking this out first. Market is coming down to this place, but then I would have loved to see market do a sort of manipulation to the upside, all right, before I will take an entry. If I'm to take this trade, I would love to see manipulation to the upside before I will take an entry. What I mean is this: I would love to wait to see market hit this level. So if market hits this level, like something like this, then I'll look for a sale. This is what what I'll be expecting to see. All right. So thank you very much, guys, and let's keep our trading rules intact and ensure that we don't overtrade. Make sure you don't trade without stop loss. Make sure you don't chase trade. Make sure your settings are available before you take any trade. Thank you, and do have a perfect day.